Right now, Bitcoin is seeing a rejection from the most important level of resistance in this market, and in this exact video, I will be talking about this level and much more important stuff that currently is playing out here in the market. So don't forget to slap up that like button once again on today's update video. Can we once again smash it back above 350 likes? That will be absolutely incredible. And with that being said, let me jump straight away in towards the content. And first of all, we can currently see on the imminent short term, Bitcoin yesterday saw an immense pump towards the upside, and after yesterday the Federal Reserve announced their interest rate hike, the market started to be pumping again towards the upside, and moments later it dumped towards the downside yet again here. Right now, Bitcoin is still trading on 17.6k. We're still trading significantly higher than 2 days ago. However, we yesterday were trading, of course, around 18.4k. What definitely was pretty a high target for Bitcoin. If I look at the imminent short term, where I expect a lot of support is going to get found, it's somewhere around that 17.4k region. I think the 17.4k is the level where I expect the majority of support will be getting found for Bitcoin, because historically speaking, this has been the level that provided a lot of resistance, and previous resistance is probably also going to be providing very strong support in the market right now. If I am going to be looking at the ascending triangle scenario, we can also see that the ascending triangle support is coming in around 17.4k, and if we do touch that level, we're basically seeing a retest of the ascending triangle. What is, in my opinion, actually quite of a big opportunity that could be occur right now here. So if Bitcoin is going to be having the retest on that 17.4k level, I will be the first one to be, of course, open more trades on this level, and I also do expect that this is going to be a big amount of support for Bitcoin. If we really fall below it, I honestly think that this could be a larger time frame fake out, and due to that, we could be potentially visit even lower lows. So it's going to be important to see, will Bitcoin even touch this level, and if we touch it, will we hold on towards it, and how strong is demand going to be here? That's going to be the important question that we are asking ourselves right now. Also, looking at the 4-hourly time frame, we can currently see that previously around we were in this sideways consolidation range. We've been consolidating in this price range for an approximately 13 to 14 days here, and at the point we broke out here, we basically started to see volatility happening straight away. So yeah, once again, if we do have that retest of 17.4 to 17.3, I am expecting it's going to be providing good support, and if we do break below it, I honestly think we are going to be moving down very quickly. Looking as well on the 4-hourly time frame, we can currently actually spot a very interesting trend line, because if I'm looking at the 4-hourly time frame, we can see that previously around this level right here provided a significant amount of resistance, and while we broke above it, we are currently can see that this level is providing support. So we are seeing an upper sloping support line getting formed somewhere around 17.6k, and if we do hold on towards this one, it's going to be also quite alright. So we're going to keep our eyes out on this one as well here, but mainly the big support target is around 17.3 towards 17.4k, and that is also the level that I will be looking at right now here. Currently, I am still long on Bitcoin. Apparently, I got locked out of my my account here, but I am still long on Bitcoin. I'm in approximately $2,000 to $4,000 in profit right now with my trade. And if you are interested in trading cryptocurrencies yourself, you can do so on Bybit or BitGet. Bybit allows you to currently sign up and get a 30,000 deposit bonus if you do sign up using the link in the description. And BitGet is very nice because BitGet allows you to trade without KYC, without VPN, and also they offer an additional deposit bonus after your initial deposit if you sign up an account using the link in the description right now here. But BitGet is definitely one of my favorite exchanges to be using right now, since you do not need KYC. And for Bybit, from off the 15th, so from off starting today, you will need to do KYC, and that is the reason why I'm currently a big fan of BitGet as well here. Furthermore, looking at Bitcoin, we can currently see that the 12-day EMA ribbon is being flipping bullish, and this is a very interesting signal that currently is occurring, because every single time the 12-hour MACD on Bitcoin flips bullish, we at least see a short-term relief for Bitcoin. I'm not saying that we will straight away see a bullish momentum or bullish momentum towards the upside getting generated after we cross bullish. No, but usually after we cross bullish, in the period of time, we tend to see a small little uptrend. We can see it happening over here. We can see it happening over here. We can see it basically always happening. We saw it over here. Boom. We saw it over here. Boom. And we saw it over here. Boom. So basically, it happens all the time here. And that is why I'm also currently expecting that since we have been seeing the 12-hour EMA ribbon cross bullish, it is currently likely to expect to see at least a short-term relief for Bitcoin towards the upside. I'm not saying that we have to go back to $20,000 or $30,000. No, I'm only expecting a short-term relief before potentially coming down again here. At least that is likely to assume if we're going to be looking at the history of this particular signal that currently is flashing. Furthermore, we can currently see that Bitcoin got rejected by the daily super trend indicator. You can clearly see this is an important level of resistance, and currently, yeah, it's getting us rejected. And if we do break above it as well, could be a signal that we are going to see more upside for Bitcoin. But so far, we have not seen the super trend crossing bullish here, so I'm still have to wait for that one. On the 12-hour time frame, we can see that the super trend is flipping bullish. But more importantly, I think it's important to look at the 3-day time frame for the super trend indicator, because historically speaking, on the 3-day time frame, you can really spot these bigger swings in the market. And currently, so far, we're still in the bearish momentum phase here. And as long as we're not break above $20,000 to $21,000 for Bitcoin right now, the super trend is also not going to be flipping bullish at all. So make sure to stay alert on this one. Once we do cross bullish, you will be the first one to know if you are subscribed to this channel. So don't forget to slap up that subscriber button right now here. At the same time, we can currently see that this important range of resistance. So previously around in the support range here, while Bitcoin was consolidating above $20,000, we saw that basically the 18.2K was every single time getting retested. And basically all the times that we did touch this level, we saw a very strong bounce for Bitcoin. And the moment we closed below it, we exactly touched this level and saw a significant rejection towards even lower lows on the market. So what can we say? The 18.2K is a critical level for Bitcoin. And like you can see here, yet again, we got rejected by this level. So what I need to be pointing this out here is that this is the level to be breaking. If we break above it, things are going to be looking good. But as we're standing right now here, it looks like we're getting a rejection. And a rejection last time around sended us all the way down towards 15.4K. And definitely it has the potential to do it yet again. So I want to be bringing out extreme caution. I don't think we should be, of course, all too bullish. But if we do break above that 18.2 to 18.4K level, that is the point where we should be flipping bullish. But currently, we're still trading and we still got rejected by this important level of resistance. Then at the same time, I actually found this very interesting. So if you're looking at the previous all-time high for Bitcoin, and if you're going to be not take the all-time high, but that next lower high weekly candle close, and you basically set up that line here, you can currently clearly see that that level has actually indicated the bottom, at least the bottom for so far. I mean, it doesn't necessarily have to be the bottom, but we have seen a very strong bounce from this level, what is actually very, very interesting to see. And I wanted to be pointing this out here. Of course, at the same time, you can still see the legendary support line. It is holding us up. It is doing an amazing job by providing support for Bitcoin. And that is, of course, absolutely lovely to see. And at the same time, we can still see the shorts are capitulating in this market. So this was it for me on today's update video here. It was a very short update video, but I tried to keep it as short as possible with as much information as possible at the same time. And hopefully you do have a little bit of a better understanding about what currently is going on in the market. But anyways, thank you so much for watching towards this amazing new video here on the channel. Don't forget to snap off that like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out. Goodbye.